I wanted to show you a little bit about how we're organizing our wedding using Pickle. We've got all of our contacts in Pickle already, and one of the cool features is this full screen search. It not only will let me see a bunch of contacts, but it lets me do a lot more than that. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on a few different things. Has been invited, which is a custom field I created that lets me know if we've invited the person or not. Let's do RSVP and number of guests. That's pretty good. And now what we can see is it's added these fields here on the right-hand side, and it's got some predefined values that we can choose. So what I did when we sent out our invitations is every time we sent out an invitation, I said, these people were invited. And some people may not have been invited, but just to give you a rundown, you can quickly select things, who's been invited and who's not. Okay, so now what I care about is I've sent out all the invitations. It's 2 weeks later. I've marked everyone who's coming as coming. Just imagine there's much more people than just the ones I've selected. And what I want to do is I want to say, just give me a list of the people who I've invited. So here I'm going to type in yes and hit return. And now I'm only going to see the people who I've invited. Okay, that's great. I can actually hide this field now. So now what I'm going to do is when people return their RSVPs, I'm able to either quickly find them by searching, by saying, Hannes, and it'll find me Hannes, or I can just leave it blank and it'll find everything. Using the same filters of has been invited with the value of yes. So now I can say Hannes has said yes and bringing one guest. Nap has said no. Abby said yes, and let's say bringing two guests, etc. And now I can easily track and build lists of custom data with the ultimate goal of knowing who's coming, how many people are coming. So let's say it comes time to planning out who sits at what table. I only want to know people who have RSVP'd yes, because those are the only people that are going to be sitting at tables, are the people that are coming. And I can say Hannes is going to be at table 7, Abby's going to be at table 9. And now you can see, obviously, there'd be more than 2 people coming. But in this case, it's a very easy way of building a list, updating that list with different information, and then sharing that list with other people that are involved, such as your spouse, maybe wedding planner, day of coordinator, etc. If you have any questions, let us know. Support@picklecrm.com, and have a good day.